Hello fellow Zolas and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make money by performing simple tasks on your phone. So these are the kind of tasks you guys do every day. For example, like liking someone post on Instagram, following someone on Instagram, and you're going to get paid. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 websites that's going to make you money by performing simple tasks on your phone. So right now, before I get to the video, I would advise you guys to do me a favor. I would advise you guys to like this video right now, subscribe to my channel right now, and don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community group in the description. I'll be leaving the link to the group in the description. So what we do on the group right now is literally teach you guys on how you can make money online, and also you're going to be notified anytime we drop awesome videos on how you can make money online on this group. So if you're someone who is interested in making money online, I would advise you go join the group right now. The link is going to be down in the description. So without said and do right now, let's dive into the video. So guys, the first website that's going to be paying us to perform simple tasks on your phone right now is called SideGig. And by the way, I'll be leaving the link in the description. You see right here is the name of the site. So what you just link to the description to register, you're going to get a welcome bonus for using my link. So I'll be leaving all the links. I'm going to be mentioning all the links to the website in the description of this video. Just make sure you go check them out, click on the link to go register right now. And for those of you who do not know what SideGig is a kind of website that's going to pay you to perform simple tasks on your phone, like I said earlier. So this website is going to pay you to perform simple tasks on your phone. So this kind of tasks that you're going to pay you money is these are the kind of tasks that you do every single day, like following someone post on Instagram, joining someone's WhatsApp group, all that kind of small tasks you could do, and they're going to get you paid. So right here, these are the kind of tasks you could do on this website. You could also like someone post, these are just simple tasks you could do on your phone, and you're going to get paid. So right now, SideGig is going to pay you to follow someone on Instagram right now. So in order to create your account right now, all you need to do right now is to click on the create tab right now. So once you click on the create tax, it's going to take you to a place where you can create your account. So all you need right now is to put in, you see right now, all you need right now is to put in your username, your email address, enter your password, then your referral name. And by the way, I'll be putting the referral name at the description right now, so just put in there. So once you're done with that, just click on the register button right now, and it's going to take you to a place where you can put in your legal full name and put in your phone number. So guys, one thing I want you to take note of, once you are putting in your phone number, make sure you put in +23 kind of stuff. So it's going to depend on the country you are. So if you're from the US, you need to put in +1, all that kind of stuff. So if you're from Nigeria, all you just need to put in +234, then put in your number behind it. So that is what I want you guys to take note of that. So right now, I'm going to be logging into the website right now because I already created an account for yourself. I'm going to be teaching you what you need to do in order to start making money. So guys, once you already created your account on SideGig, this is how your account is going to look like. And you can see right here, I got 0 balance. Is because the reason it's saying that is because I just withdraw my earnings today right now. So once you already created your profile on SideGig, the first thing you need to do right now is to set up your account info by going to this tab right here. All you just need is to go to your profile. Once you click on your profile, it's going to take you where you could set up some information. So you need to make sure you fill out this information, your gender, your phone number, your location, and your country right here. So once you are done with that, the next thing you need to do is to link your social media platform. So you need to link your social media platform on this website in order to be able to complete tasks. So in order to do that, is all you need right now is to click on this new account. So once you click on this new account, you'll be able to link your social media platform. It could either be your Instagram account, your Facebook account, your Twitter account, then put in the URL to the platform right here, and you click on link. So right now I'm not going to be walking you through on how to link that. It's very simple. Just follow the procedure on this website, and once you already linked your social media account, it's time to start making money. So in order to make money online right now on this website, just go over to the overview section right now, and you're going to see where you could perform tasks on your phone. So you can see right here, this tax is going to pay you 30 naira to follow someone on Instagram. So this tax is going to pay you 6 naira to follow someone on Twitter. So you could literally click on this view all tax right here at the corner right here. So once you click on view all, you'll be able to see all the available tax you could perform right here on this tax. So this tax is going to pay you to follow someone on TikTok. This one is going to pay you 3 naira, 6 naira, 3 naira, 3 naira. So you could either complete this tax on your phone on this website right now. And you guys, this tax may not be paying you much, but these are the kind of things you do every single day, and you do not get paid. So I know some of you guys go on TikTok, go on Facebook to like someone post, but you guys are not getting paid. But on this website is going to pay you by just completing simple tasks on your phone right there. So there are a lot of tasks you could do right now on this website right now. So right now we are going to be moving on to the next website that's going to pay us to complete simple tasks right now. So guys, the second website we're going to be using to make money by completing simple tasks is called naira workers. So like I said, I'll be leaving the link to all the websites I just mentioned in this video in the description. Make sure you go check them out, and once you use my link to create an account, you're going to get a welcome bonus for using my link. So you can see right here, this website is also similar to SideGig right there. You can see this how the website looks like, and also this website is going to pay you to complete simple tasks on your phone. And one thing I love about this website is because this website have a lot of tasks that you could literally do more than SideGig. So you could literally join someone's WhatsApp group on this website and you're going to get paid. You could follow someone on Instagram. You could even subscribe to someone's YouTube channel on this website and you're going to get paid. And one thing I love about this website is because this website is going to pay you up to 500 naira by just following someone on Instagram. So right now, the first thing you need to do right now is to create an account on this website, because this website is going to pay you a lot of money right here. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money from this website. So the first thing you need to do right now is to create an account. So make sure you use the link in the description. So once you use the link in the description right now is going to take you here. Just click on the register button right now. So once you click on the register button, you'll be able to create an account. All you need right now is to put in your first name, just fill in your first name, your last name, your username, your gender, your email address, and then put in your referral. So I'll be leaving everything in the description. Make sure you use my referral code, my referral link in the description, so you'll be able to get a welcome bonus for using my link. Then put in your password right here, confirm your password, and once you are done with that, click on sign up. And one thing I want you guys to know, that you could not create multiple accounts on this platform, because if you create multiple accounts on this website, you're going to get banned. So once you click on the sign up button right now, you'll be able to sign in into your account. So right now I already created an account. I'm going to be signing into my account right now to show you guys how you can make money on Naira Workers. You created an account on this website. This is how your dashboard is going to look like. You see right here, you could literally see the money you just earned right now. I could see right here I got 30 naira is because I haven't been active on this website. So this is where you could literally locate your earnings. You could see the kind of how much you have made. So right now I see I have 100 naira pending right now to be paid to my account right now. And right now, in order to start making money from this website, in order to start performing simple tasks, all you need right now is to click on this menu bar right here. So once you click on the menu bar, it's going to take you to where you could find jobs. So you could see right here, just click on available jobs right here. So once you click on the available job, it's going to load up a lot of job for you to do. And one thing I love about this website is because there is a lot of job on this website. So you can see right here, this tax is going to pay you 58 naira in order to sign up on a trading account. This app is going to pay you 15 naira in order to sign up on a forex account. This app is going to pay you 18 naira in order to subscribe to a YouTube channel. So guys, these are simple tasks you could literally do right here in order to get paid. So this app is going to also pay you 17 naira in order to join a masterclass forex trading on WhatsApp. So all you need right now is to join the group. And like I said, in order to get the most highest paying tax on this website, just click on this high paying option. So once you click on the highest paying option, it's going to take you to the highest paying tax on this website. So let's just wait for it to load right now, and I'm going to get back to you guys. So guys, it's done reloading right now. I could see right now this tax is going to pay you 650 naira, guys. Wow, this is crazy. This tax is going to pay you 650 naira in order to create an account on this website. So this app is going to pay you also 230 naira in order to create an account. This app is going to pay you 200 naira, 230 naira, 200 naira. This app is going to pay you 109 naira. This app is going to pay you 150 naira in order to complete simple tasks on this website. All you need right now is to sign up on PalmPay. So they just want you to sign up on PalmPay. You haven't created an account. And guys, I want you guys to take note of this. So once you are completing tasks on this website, make sure you view the terms and conditions. Just click on the view job and you can see what is expected from the workers. So all you need right now is to go through what is expected from the workers, then complete the job, then make a screenshot of the job showing that you have completed the job. Then once you are done with that, just click on the submit proof right here. And once you click on the submit proof, the person that posted the job on this website is going to approve you and is going to pay you the money. So all you need right now, that is just all you need in order to start making money on this website. So guys, I hope you guys love this video, and if you love the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now, like this video right now, and don't forget to drop me a comment down in the comment section in case you have any questions for me, and I'm going to be replying to your comment. So right now, I also advise you to go join our WhatsApp community group in the description. I'll be leaving the link in the description. So once you join the group, we also share with you tips and websites you could use to make money on the group. So make sure you go join the group right now, and I hope you guys have gotten any value from the video. So if you have gotten any value from the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and don't forget to like this video. And right now, a video is going to be popping up on your screen right now, which are teaching you how to make money online. So guys, let's go, and I'm going to see you guys in the video.